Okay, we're going to look at how to multiply mixed numbers. Now, what we mean by that is, what if we had 3.5 multiplied by 4.25? Let's just keep the numbers nice and easy so that we can understand the method. And then once you know how to do the method, you can use harder numbers and just do it the same way. Now, if you haven't watched the video on either converting mixed numbers to top-heavy fractions or multiplying fractions, then please go and watch those videos first. Or if you think you're okay with this, then just work with me. This is a harder work now. Right, so if you've got 3/2 times by 4/4, or 3/2 of 4/4, the first thing we recommend you do is convert them both to top-heavy fractions. So 3 2s are 6, plus the 1 on the top, 7/2. This fraction's the same, we've just expressed it in a different way. 4/4 or 4 4s are 16, add the 1 on top is 17/4. Now, when we're multiplying, we have to multiply fractions. We have to multiply the denominators together and the numerators together. We've looked to see at this stage if anything cancels, and it can't. That's explained on the other video. So now we just have to do the multiplication. 2 4s are 8. Now, if you can't work out 7 lots of 17 or 17 lots of 7 in your head, then you need to use the grid method. And there's nothing wrong with doing that. It's better that you check rather than guess and get it wrong. Okay, so we've got here 10 and 7 is 17 multiplied by 7. And 7 7s are 49. 7 times by 10 is 70. So then we've got 70 plus 49. So 9's go into, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So that gives us 119 over 8. Okay. Now, how many 8s are there in 119? Because if you've been given the question as a mixed number, it's probably a good idea to give the answer as a mixed number. If this is an exam, you've probably got most of the marks by now, but it's not just about getting you ready for exams. We need to give the answers in the correct way, and it's probably easier to understand mixed numbers anyway. Okay, so we're going to look into how many 8s there are in 119. Now, there's a couple of methods. You can go up your 8 times table, or you could start at 80, because that's your 10th, and add on 8 each time. Okay, but that's probably the harder of the two methods, because it just takes longer. Now remember, fractions are division, so we can say how many 8s go into 119. Okay, and then following the method, there's none in 1, so we carry that 1 into 11. How many 8s are there in 11? Well, there's a whole 1. And what's left over? Well, 9, 10, 11, 3. Okay, how many 8s are there in 39? Now, if you're not sure, write them out. 8, 16, 24, and again, it's better that you 32, 40. So it's better that you actually work it out than guess. There's no marks for guessing. And if you don't know your 8 times table, be honest with yourself. Oh, sorry, it wasn't on the screen. Be honest with yourself. Write them out. Here they are. Look, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Adding on 8 each time. Now, 32, so that's 4. So there's 4 whole ones. And what's left over? It's 7. 32, difference between 39 and 32 is 7. So it's 14 whole ones plus 7 left over. So it's 14 whole ones. Now, when you're younger, you might have got away with saying remainder 7. Now you're looking at GCSE, rather than writing remainder 7, you can write that as a fraction. So that's 7 over 8. So 14 and 7/8. So the remainder, divide over the top of this. This is your numerator, this is your denominator, will give you your answer. So the final answer is 14 and 7/8. If you're working in decimals, we were asked to give this question as a fraction. If you were asked to work in decimals, then this is when you would actually write 7 here and carry on from there. But we're not, we're working in fractions. So it's a good tip that when you're actually doing division, and you don't mind if the answer's in fractions, whatever the remainder is when you get to this point, you can write over the thing you were dividing by, and you've got an answer expressed as fractions. So harder, bigger numbers if they don't cancel, but it builds on all the building blocks that you should have so far on the other videos. Now try some, and if you can't do them, and you can always check by using your calculator, by the way, see if you get the correct answer, and if you can't do them, then come and ask for help.